This financial district section in Detroit. Thank you for checking out my YouTube video. We're gonna take a walk. This is the People Mover right here. Take a little walk around downtown. Show you this whole area right here. So if you want to see downtown Detroit, just stay tuned. We're gonna go down these stairs. This is the People Mover. If you're not familiar with Detroit, it'll take you all the way around downtown, Detroit, and it's free. Free for 2024. And I wonder what this is. Spellman. But anyways, this is downtown Detroit, and it's a beautiful day. It's actually, look at that beautiful mural right there. It's actually really warm outside, almost 90 degrees. But we had a hard winter, and I'd rather have the warm weather, the hot weather, than the really cold weather. And it's better for doing videos. So see, it's free. You don't have to put anything in the machines. We'll come through here. This is a beautiful building. They call this the Guardian Building right here. This building right here, I'll show you the whole thing. They call that the Guardian Building. And it's a really nice building. It's got a really nice lobby on the bottom floor. And they got a coffee shop and a bank, Bank of America. And then those are offices. Yeah, I'll show you the, look all the way up there. Those are offices. So it's about 4:45 p.m. So it's like everybody's trying to get off of work. And we're gonna cross the street, but it's almost, the light's almost about to turn. But I'll show you right here. All this right here, down there, that's a beautiful building right there. And then, if you're not familiar with Detroit, if you see those buildings off in the distance, I'll kind of zoom. I'll try to zoom. See that white building? That's all Canada. So we're not far from Windsor, Canada right now. I'm just waiting to cross right now. I'm trying to think of the name of that building right there, but it's a really beautiful building. And there's people that live in them. And I believe there's a restaurant on the bottom or something. I'm not sure. But there's gonna be some cool things right up here. I wish that walkway were open to everybody. So we're gonna cross. But that's that ring thing that you see, that's for the labor unions. I'm 95% sure that's for the labor unions. So we'll cross the street. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this building right here. This is one of my favorite buildings in downtown Detroit. But this is what it would be like if you were down here. It's not too bad, pretty clean. You know, it's pretty safe down here, even during the nighttime. Never really had any problems. But if you were like working down here like a 9 to 5, you'd be just getting off. You get little Jimmy John's, Domino's, Buell Bar on the corner. That's a really nice place. See a little bit of everything down here. The only thing that you don't really have down here in downtown is like places for groceries. I mean, there are one or two markets, but there's nothing really for groceries. You got to go to the markets. So you won't see any of the major food chains in the downtown area, but there are places like a Myers. It's about 10 minutes away from downtown. But other than that, you got everything down here. See the Guardian Building right here. It's beautiful. See, I'll show you. See that right up there? But if you go inside there, there's a nice coffee shop, and you could take some pictures of the artwork on the ceiling. It's really beautiful out there. I'll try to show you if I can. See, it's really beautiful in there. Inside up there, but if you go in these doors, it's really nice on the inside. We'll make a left up here, but this is Woodward right here. Over the years, they've built this up a lot. You get like benches to sit at in the middle. That's the queue line right there. That's a very, very useful. It goes, if you see like the rails, I'll point with my finger, like the railing system right there. That's what that thing travels on. I'll zoom in. So that's the queue line, and that starts right there, and it goes back and forth. You can actually see another one down there. We're gonna go this way. Yeah, it's really, really warm. Pizza, a lot of nice restaurants. Chipotle just came down here. We just had the NFL draft down here. That was a big thing. The NFL draft took place right over there. That broke records. I want to say 700,000 people attended. And you can see that big building right there. That's the Hudson building under construction. That's going to be really nice. Yep, this is the queue line right here. I can't remember the exact price of how much it is to ride that. But it's not that much. And you can rent these bikes, you can rent scooters. You got like a lot of different things going on out here. During the summertime, well, we'll go over there. But during the summertime over there, they have movie night. You'll see the screen over there. We'll walk over there. They have movie night, but during the holidays, they tune into an ice skating rink. And it's a big thing around here, downtown during the holidays. I've never been on the rink. I can't really ice skate that good, but it's a nice atmosphere around here, even during the winter time. You know, a lot of people are enjoying the Christmas holidays. They call that the beach in there. You can buy some alcohol in there. I'll show you something cool right here. There's a time capsule right here. Goes. Somebody beeping. Anyways, 2004, 2104. Some guy was beeping and waving, trying to get my attention. This is it right here. They had the NFL draft right over there. They built this whole, well, it's not there anymore, but they built a whole thing over there. And that's where it took place. This whole area was packed. It was a very, very good experience for the city of Detroit. They bring down a lot of people. A lot of people from the suburbs, from all over the United States came right over here. This is a nice restaurant park. See, it's kind of warm and it's 5 o'clock, so there's not really a lot of people out. But like during the nighttime on a summer night, you'll see people out here and they'll have a movie night and there'll be people all around over here. There's some more bikes over there that you can rent. See them over there? Trying to think, we're gonna make a left eventually up here. I'm just trying to think of what other buildings I can show you. See that building way up in the distance? That's Hollywood Casino. That's the hotel. There's a casino over there. A lot going on over there, Greektown. If you're not familiar with Detroit. This is like Campus Martius. This is like the center of Detroit. Do one of these. You can see the Detroit right there. Very proud of the city and all the good things that have been happening. Pirates of the Caribbean, July 24th. Super Mario Brothers, June 26th. Those are the movies that are going to be playing. We'll walk over here. Movie nights in the D. See? #1 Public Square, 2 times. 2-time champs. That's where we are right now. This is it. And then and during the wintertime, there's an ice skating rink right here. It's very cool. I might go out there. I might go out here this year. Challenge myself to learn how to ice skate. We'll come around over here. This is Woodward right here. That way goes all the way into Detroit. We'll come back over here. We'll keep this about 15-minute video. I'm gonna cross the street, go that way. Show you about 5 minutes more to the city. Eventually I have to walk down that way anyways, so. But this is it right here. And it's, you know, you don't see any garbage on the street. It's not dirty, you know. I don't do a whole lot of traveling, but I have been to a few different major cities recently in the United States, and it's very clean here. Chicago, Philadelphia, New York. Sugar factory. Never been there, but that's kind of a newer place. Actually, we'll go down this way. I'll show you this statue right here. But that's pretty cool. That's the sugar factory in there. And they have that window opened up during the summer. That's a cool statue thing. Been there for a couple years. Bitcoin was up there. Investment, S&P 500. Somebody put cheese. But this is beginning of Woodward. Very, very major street in Detroit. One of the biggest streets in Detroit. If you're not familiar with Detroit, if you were to visit Detroit, you would know Woodward pretty good. I'm going to show you towards the end. We'll end this video right up here. I want to show you just the construction site of the new building, the new skyscraper that's going up. I think that would be a great place to end this video because that is going to be a big, big thing. We're going to try to cross right now. It's going to be a big thing. We'll walk over here. See it up there? It's a beautiful building. We'll walk right over here. She goes all the way up. And this is State, Gratiot, and Woodward. There's a nice clock. We're gonna end this video right here. Let me know what you think about Detroit in the comments below, the downtown area. I'm gonna go get some food. And that's the Hudson Building. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks for checking out my video.